Let's drop the image of coffee, transform it accordingly. Fill the background color by pressing Alt plus Backspace. Create a new layer. Select Curvature Pen tool and draw the random design shape. Then convert that into selection by pressing Ctrl plus Enter. Fill the selection area by pressing Alt plus Backspace. Create Layer Mask to remove unwanted area or things from the object. Then paint black and remove the desired thing. Make group by pressing Ctrl plus G. Now create a new layer. Select Soft Rounded Brush tool. Left-click with mouse, then press Ctrl plus T to show transform controls. Then press Alt plus Shift, so it will tilt from both sides equally. Then adjust the shadow underneath the object. Use Camera Raw filter to adjust its color correction, contrast, color balance, etc. Create a new layer right above the background. Select Soft Rounded Brush tool and paint in the middle of background. Then change its blending mode to soft light. Create one more layer and do the same. This time keep its blending mode at overlay. Write the text with Text tool. Transform by pressing Ctrl plus T. Let's choose the font Algerian. Make a copy of it by pressing Alt and dragging with mouse at the same time. Decrease the size and edit it. Again, make copy it by pressing Alt and dragging it with mouse. Edit it to Desride text. Change its font to Billion Dreams. Again, do the same and edit the text. Change its font to Futura MDBT. Select all text layers, press Ctrl plus T and tilt a bit. Select Hot Text Layer and right-click with mouse and choose Blending Options. Use the gradient and choose the colors accordingly. Press Alt and drag the FX and place on other. It will apply the same effect on other one. Now choose Blending Options for Coffee text and give this a gradient of white and light gray. Then apply the same effect to Delicious Text Layer as well. Import another image. Place just below the white design. and change its blending mode to overlay. Decrease the opacity. Create new layer above it. Type text coffee. Change its font to Chopstick. Change blending mode to overlay. Increase the size, decrease the opacity, and adjust its position. Make a layer mask of it, and select soft round brush tool and paint black on which area we want to remove. Now bring some transparent coffee images and adjust them at nice positions. Make them blur. Let's drag the another design. Right-click on its layer, choose blending options, and change its color overlay to white. Type the text "Save up to" and change its font to Hands to Signature. Make its duplicate. Edit text to 30% and change its font to Catboo. Now again, begin the process of putting small PNG images and blur them. This will make poster look nice. Now make a square. Give 20 pixel radius to its two corners. Fill the desired color. Import the icon, decrease the size. Right-click on its layer and choose blending options. Change its color overlay to white. Type text and choose the font Futura MDBT. Make a group and then duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+J, then edit the necessary information. Create new solid adjustment layer. Choose light brown color and change its blending mode to Screen. Click on its layer mask and fill the black color by pressing Alt plus Backspace. Then choose Soft Round Brush. Choose the white as foreground color. Decrease the flow and paint where you want the glow. Then merge all the layer by pressing Alt plus Shift plus Control plus E. Select Camera Raw Filter and make the necessary adjustments as I did. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.